Do you want to stand out from the competition and grow? Do you struggle to generate increased leads, drive sales, and lower your cost per acquisition? The fact is, many businesses today are unsatisfied with their marketing and their advertising efforts. It's because they just don't deliver the right message in a compelling way. That's why I developed the 5 B's brand discovery system. 1. Brand review. A process to determine your key purpose from your customer's point of view. 2. Brand insights discovery. A process to increase customer effectiveness by defining your brand direction, and in the end, a set of key ideas to move forward. 3. Brand structure. Identify all the facets within your brand and classify areas of improvement to maximize effectiveness in your market. 4. Brand response. A process to identify and define your target audience, incorporating trends and value-added opportunities. In the end, a comprehensive synergistic cross-media program. 5. Brand success. Maximize the amount of customers you attract, convert, and retain with a comprehensive backroom CRM and funnel strategy that will generate more revenue and drive profits.